Okay, good morning everyone. We are at Machhapuchhre Base Camp now. We just had a wonderful time with a lot of exercise, push-ups and all those. And Mr. Craig Phillips is number one. He did 31 times. When I ended up doing 17 times, he did 26 times.
Yeah.
And the other guy did, like really exciting, did with the one hand and one leg actually. That was exciting, right? You can see this one is the Annapurna mountain. This one's the Machhapuchhre. That also we said it's fishtail, right?
Yeah.
And there's a lot of folks here. We have our dear brother Nick here, and Jasmine Phillips, Francis, and here you can see Bisandai, very strong. Manish, but he didn't really do any exercise today. He's kind of like very feeling cold. So Jay right here, you can see Jay and Anna, forever Anna and forever green, evergreen here. And this here you go, Jasmine. Jasmine, you want to say anything, Jasmine? Yeah, say hi to everybody in the world, Jasmine. Wow.
Yeah,
And he's okay. ल दाइ तपाईँको नाम के हो?
Anna, come. Get a picture, same picture.
Okay, उहाँको दिदी तपाईहरु यो ठाउँमा आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ भने if anyone's coming to this place, he's a very nice guy. They have a really good hospitality, and I really like it. So contact here, Fiscal Guest House and Restaurant right here in Machhapuchhre.
Did you see this picture?
What is
16 years ago.
Yeah, wow.
That guy, he says he knows it. Anna, so Ali, तपाईँ सँग. तपाईँ सँग. Jasmine, hey. Hello. ल हामीहरु सबै तल लाग्दैछौँ.
Come this side for now. There's only 3 people. Jasmine, come this side, Jasmine. Wow. Okay. So हामी जाँदैछौँ आज. हाम्रो बास धेरै टाढा छ. So are you excited to go back to Pokhara?
Yes, I
Okay,
am.
great.
Yes,
Here, she's very excited. Okay, film this around. Take the camera. Ask everyone. Interview them around. Everyone. Ask them their name and the question.
Okay, you
Their
can have
ages and everything.
you can have a talk and take photo.
Interview him.
Interview. Okay. I'm Raju. Guide and trekking guide. Okay. Jasmine, I'm Raju. I'm a guide and trekking guide. Okay. So beautiful day and with Jasmine, with everyone. Beautiful day today, and we are in MBC.
Raju, tell me which peaks are we seeing now? Which peak? What are the peaks? The names?
Annapurna
That's
South.
gonna tell it.
The first one.
All is south.
That's south, and the other
All
side.
is south.
That's great. Okay, so Craig just found made a guy.
We're living in Mali
just made
Patin now.
16, 17 years ago. And one picture together, they've taken a picture right from here. And they just got a really great memory. And Anna was here once since 17 months. And they just got this memory back again. And also the connection back. And they feel very happy. So you see now we're going down right from MBC, which actually sounds like embassy to me, and it's actually MBC. MBC stands for Machhapuchhre Base Camp, and let's go down and see like how it feels like. So I'm very excited to be back to Pokhara now. A lot of things are waiting for me, so it's gonna be an exciting day. So. Okay. Hi.
Hey.
Hello, Jasmine. We're on the camera again. Are you feeling good? Excited to be back?
Well, let's not do the video.
Okay. Okay.
Shit or something.
Okay. Do you want to go on this rock there, Jasmine? You want to go on the rock? Let's go. This is the time Jazz is running so fast, and this is Jasmine's camera with Anna now, and Nick right here walking. And Nick is the very strongest one in the team, along with Jasmine. And Jasmine's asking me to take a picture and video right from this camera. Look at here, Jasmine. It looks so strong and very good, Jasmine. We're almost by the riverside, and Jasmine asked me to film from her camera, which I'm doing right now. Okay, Jasmine? Right here. So I'm gonna film from our Jasmine's camera right now with this, and we're gonna go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Jasmine.
On. This is on.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah. Now let's go. Let's go. Give it to me. Give it to. I had to film you, Jasmine. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Go. Go fast now. So with me now is Jasmine, and we are just going back to where, Jasmine, again? Where are we going back? Pokhara.
Yes.
And Jasmine is so strong again. Oh, here, your camera. I'm filming with both the camera. Okay. Keep walking, Jasmine. You want to carry this? Okay. Go slow, yeah.
See, there's the west behind me. And here's the
I'll be a height of
other side. But it's supposed to be road. So, there's only one thing to do. Is to do it. Hello. My name is Red. I like this. I'm sorry. My name is Zach.
You can film the other way.
But once you see that it is turning a little bit, can't you see it's turning a little bit? And because we're on the road, and we're not on the road, we're going back to our house from ABC.
Good morning. Hey, Jasmine, let this gentleman come through.
Listen, but there's always
Over here, let's get the.
time to get some something. I'll see here. So here's my mom.
Don't take it too strict, guys. Be very careful.
Take it in. Almost there.
It's filming now.
Here's the rest. Hi, Suresh.
Hi. I like this, okay? You carry like this. Take like this.
This?
Yeah. Hold tightly. Your one hand here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Walks very slowly, okay?
That's been
Let him go, this guy. Yeah, keep speaking. Make vlog. Go. Keep going.
Because this is always around this road, and we're going back to our house for ABC, and we're gonna go back. So, not go back to ABC, just go to our house. That's what it means. Okay? On the other way.
Keep going.
On the other way.
Other way.
Here's on Lito. Can you see it right there with the neck flag? And we're gonna have to get down. Really short. So we are gonna go to home because we are on the trail of Annapurna Base Camp. We already finished that, so now we're gonna go down. So let's go. The other places are here. The river is always here, so we go to another places and it's my mom, and we go to places like right there, and then we go this way, and we go this way. One thing, but Sanctuary.
It might be a, yeah. Might be a little dangerous. She's looking at that and not watching.
Get. Going to take video of that. It's beautiful up there.
It is beautiful up there. Machhapuchhre. It's a beautiful waterfall.
Thank you. Do you want to wash your face too?